In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted notes on Google Keep Notes app, 5 minutes. If you've accidentally deleted a note in Google Keep, don't worry. There's a built-in trash folder that makes recovery quick and simple. I'll walk you through doing this on a desktop browser, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make sure your note comes back exactly where you expect it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. Click that to open the app launcher, then choose Keep. If you prefer, you can also go straight to keep.google.com. Both routes land you in the same place. Once Keep opens, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find your navigation options. Click Trash. This view holds anything you've deleted recently. A quick note on timing. Items in trash are automatically and permanently deleted after a short period, so if you think you need something back, it's best to restore it as soon as you notice it's missing. In the trash, browse for the note you want to bring back. You'll see your deleted notes just like regular ones, with their colors, images, and labels visible so they're easy to recognize. Click the note to select it. If you're working with multiple items, you can restore them one at a time to double check you're recovering the right content. With the note selected, look for the restore icon. On the web, this appears at the top of the note as a curved arrow that says restore when you hover over it. Click that, and Keep immediately moves the note out of trash. Now return to your main notes section using the sidebar. Your restored note should reappear alongside your other notes. In most cases, color and labels come back with it, so it returns to a familiar spot. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and type a keyword from the note's title or contents to jump straight to it. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the note doesn't appear in trash, it may have been permanently deleted or it's been there too long to recover. In the future, consider archiving notes instead of deleting them when you just want them out of sight. Archived notes are easy to bring back without the risk of permanent loss. And if you're on mobile, the process is similar. Open Keep, open the menu, go to Trash, and tap Restore. That's all it takes to restore a deleted note in Google Keep.